Yo, what is going on, guys? Welcome back to my channel. This video today, I'm going to be running through a simple method you can use right now to get Reanimal for free. So this game is a brand new release on Xbox, Microsoft, Windows, PlayStation 5, Nintendo Switch, and it is pretty expensive, guys. This game is going to cost around $40 on Steam, but I'm going to be showing you guys how to get Reanimal for free using a working digital game code. Before I show you guys how to go ahead and do this, make sure you drop a like on this video and subscribe to my YouTube channel. I do plan on making more money saving tutorials, guys. So this game is a brand new horror game out, guys, and it is pretty highly rated and very popular. So I'm going to be showing you guys how to get Reanimal for free. So just follow the instructions and it's going to take you a few minutes. So what you're going to want to do is just use your mobile phone internet browser. Now you just use your mobile to get the digital game code, and then you can go ahead and redeem it on whatever platform you play on. So for example, you'd enter it into the Microsoft Store if you wanted it on Xbox. So what you're going to want to do is head on over to this website on your mobile phone internet browser, www.coldcoupons.com. So let's just go ahead and type that in here. So you can pause the video and copy that down. But basically, guys, this is a game code website. I'm sure you guessed that. And they have tons of different game codes on here. They have codes for games, like you can get stuff in like mobile games and resources for stuff, but they do specialize in game codes. And this is one of the newest ones. So there is a search bar where you can search for it, or you can just scroll down. It should be on the first page, depending how long it takes you to find this video. But yeah, it is one of the top ones at the minute. It is a Reanimal free digital game code. Like I said, guys, this is a code that you can redeem on all platforms. So it doesn't matter if you play on Xbox, PlayStation, Nintendo Switch 2, Steam, whatever. You can go ahead and grab a digital game code that this website provides, and it's going to get you the full copy of Reanimal. So as you can see, these are limited with 900 codes remaining. That means you do need to unlock your code, guys. Now, obviously, this does limit one code per person, so you can only do this once, and I've already done this. But basically, what you're going to want to do is unlock your digital game code. And you need to follow the instructions here. It says complete 2 of the offers below. And these offers are completely free. And this basically allows Cold Coupons to give us free game codes, because these basically sponsor them. So it's free for us. But yeah, I guess they're getting app downloads out of it, or whatever they get out of it. So as you can see, these are basically applications, and you just need to install a couple of them. Make sure you do read the text, guys. Because that basically tells you how to complete that specific task. So as an example, this one's really easy. It says download and install this app and run it for 30 seconds. So as an example, you'd click on that one, and it would just take you to the App Store where you download that app, and then you have to run it. So it's very important you read the text, guys. That tells you how to do it. Complete 2 of them. I'm going to skip forward. But if you do that, your digital game code will be revealed in this box. So I did this earlier, and my code was here, and I redeemed it on my PlayStation 5 or in the store. And yeah, that basically got me my free copy of Reanimal. So that is it, guys. It takes about 5 to 10 minutes, but it is well worth it, considering this game is around $40 to $50. So head on over to Cold Coupons and then just navigate your way to the Reanimal free digital game code. You can use the search bar at the top of the screen, or just scroll down. And that is how to get Reanimal for free. Hope you enjoyed. Make sure you like and subscribe, and I'll see you in my next tutorial.